Midnight. Welcome to Mickey Money AI. Today, I'm going to test ChatGPT and Midjourney and show you exactly what happens. Which AI tool is better for creative projects? Let's find out. 0-30. Here are the rules. I'll be using both ChatGPT and Midjourney for various creative tasks, from writing scripts to generating images. Success will be measured by efficiency, quality, and ease of use. I'll also compare these tools to
other AI options like Claude and Dolly. 1-30. Let's dive into the tests. First up, writing a short story. ChatGPT generated a compelling narrative within minutes. The plot was engaging, and the characters were well developed. However, Midjourney struggled with coherence and lacked depth. 2 o'clock next. Let's try generating an image. Midjourney produced a stunning, high-resolution image that perfectly matched my prompt. ChatGPT, on the other hand, couldn't generate images direct. It suggested using another tool instead. 3 o'clock now. Let's see how they handle code generation. ChatGPT wrote clean, functional code with detailed explanations. Midjourney wasn't designed for code, so it fell short here. 4 o'clock time to test them on research tasks. ChatGPT provided accurate, well-sourced information quickly. Midjourney didn't have a dedicated research function, making it less effective for this task. 5 o'clock here's where it gets interesting. Let's see how they perform in a collaborative set. When used together, these tools complement each other beautifully. ChatGPT handles text-based tasks while Midjourney focuses on visuals. This synergy creates impressive results. 6 o'clock, but the real surprise is coming. During the tests, I noticed something unexpected. ChatGPT occasionally produced biased content, while Midjourney sometimes struggled with complex prompts. These limitations highlight the importance of human oversight in AI projects. 7 o'clock. Now, let's talk about the surprising part. Despite their strengths, both tools have significant drawbacks. ChatGPT's bias issues can lead to inaccurate or offensive content, while Midjourney's complexity challenges can hinder productivity. Understanding these limitations is crucial for effective AI usage. 8 o'clock. Here are the final results. ChatGPT excelled in writing, coding, and research, while Midjourney shone in image generation. Both tools have unique strengths and weaknesses. 9 o'clock. So would I recommend these tools? Absolutely, but with caveats. ChatGPT
is great for text-based tasks, while Midjourney is ideal for visual projects. Just be aware of their limitations. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. 10 o'clock. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI content every single day. The next story is even crazier. If you like this, watch our next video on the best AI side hustles for 2026. Thanks for watching.